Good morning, boys and girls. This is the answer video for your review work. I want you to do the work and then check it to see how close you are to getting the answers correct. All of these review pages are supposed to teach you just a tiny little bit about each skill on a daily basis. So do the work and then at the end of the week, come back and watch the video. It would be just like us going over it together in class. First section is homophones: where, steal, bear, and hair. This is pointing to his head, so I will write H-A-I-R. The other one means a rabbit. This is a picture of a frog with question marks and one behind a tree. I would guess this is hide and seek, so it would be where are you? W-H-E-R-E. Where is the little froggy? Did some dirty crook steal Shirley's billfold? S-T-E-A-L. The other one means metal. The grass had died and the trees were bare. B-A-R-E means to not have anything on it. My hand is bare. B-E-A-R is the animal. This section is punctuation with dialogue. When you write stories or papers and you have dialogue in it, it has to be punctuated correctly. It means you have to put the markings, like quotation marks and periods and commas, in the correct place. What do you find in the middle of Paris? Asked our geography teacher. Well, a period goes at the very end. The question mark goes here, and the quotation marks go after. It's always punctuation inside the quotation marks. Is it the 980-foot steel-framed Eiffel Tower? Asked Quinn confidently. Period at the very end. This is another question. Quotation marks after the question mark. Mrs. Rigby smiled sweetly and said, "No, it's the letter R." Well, that was a bad joke. Mrs. Rigby smiled sweetly and said, comma, in between who said it and what they said, quotation marks, "It's the letter R, period, quotation marks." You could possibly have used an exclamation point here since it's a joke and maybe she might have said it a little bit excitedly. Either one would be fine. Christopher O'Hara's latest address is 260 West San Pablo Drive, Tallahassee, Florida, 35420. When we do addresses, we have to put a comma in between the state and the city always. And since I'm writing it in a long sentence this way, I'm going to put a comma after the street as well. On an envelope, you would put the street and under it the city-state. So you wouldn't use this comma. But since it's in a sentence, we do comma after street, comma after city, and that is all. Number 9. Both of the culprits denied everything. This is verb tense. When did it happen? Denied is the verb, and we have to decide, is that going to happen tomorrow, right now, or yesterday? Anytime a verb ends in ed, that is an example of past tense. Fact or opinion? Watermelon is a nutritious and delicious treat. Or, watermelons grow on vines. One of these is a fact and one is an opinion. This first one is a bit of a trick. Watermelon is nutritious. Well, that could probably be proven. But is it delicious? This makes it an opinion. So I'm going to put an O. Do they grow on vines? Absolutely. Fact. So it has to all be a fact to call it fact. All right. Our neighborhood has a mom's club. All the moms voted to elect my mom president. My mom's responsibility is to lead the organization. We have 3 words and they all say moms. The first word means more than one mom. It is plural. The second word is a singular possessive noun. It means there's one mom and she's going to own something or something's going to belong to her. The last one means there's more than one mom and they all own something or something belongs to them. How do I know the difference? What comes before the apostrophe? This is a singular noun, one mom. The S comes before the apostrophe, so it means more than one mom. That's how you know. Our neighborhood has a mom's club. All the moms voted to elect my mom president. I think 13, all the moms, will be the plural. Because there's nothing after it that they are owning. All the moms voted. So just how many, just telling how many. My mom, well, technically we only have one. Even though sometimes you might have stepmom and your regular mom or foster mom, or there's lots of different ways, but really technically there's one. My mom's, apostrophe S, responsibility is to lead the organization. That means our neighborhood has a mom's club. Now the reason we use the plural possessive here is because more than one mom can belong to it. All the moms can belong to the club, not just one mom. Contractions. If it is not in the gym, then where's the karate class? If it's written in 2 words, you make it one. If it's written in one, you break it apart. If it isn't, is N apostrophe T, the apostrophe goes where the letter was left out, then where's the karate class? Where is the karate class? Adjective or adverb? Adjective describes a noun. Adverbs describe an action. Most of the time an adverb will end in ly. Quickly, slowly, quietly, ends in ly. It tells how I do something. We can blank carry our own luggage. We can easy carry our own luggage. We can easily carry, or we can ease carry. Well, we're talking about carry. Carries a verb. Easily is the word that goes with a verb. We can easily carry our own luggage. Do you think it will be easy to decorate this cake? Or do you think it will be ease to decorate this cake? Yes, it's easy. Easy is an adjective. Easy. Ease, this is the root word of both of these, meaning that something's not difficult with ease. The root word in instructions and instructor, this one's kind of hard. Instructor, suffix, and in, prefix, suffix, s, plural, shun, and prefix, so struct will be our root word. In science class, we got to use a microscope to look at a blank. Well, micro means small. Scope is to look at. So I'm going to use a microscope to look at something small. Which of these is small? Yes, drop of water. In microscope, microwave, microphone, the prefix micro means, well, I already said that, very small. If you have any questions about any of this, because let's face it, sometimes I do make mistakes, please send me a message. I had to look this one up myself just to make sure. And struct means to build. It's a Latin root from structus, and it means to build. So I was a little worried that I didn't know this one. But if you have any questions, send me a message.